Click on the link below to get price. The Flex-a-lite CFM200 Dehumidifier stands out in a market saturated with moisture control solutions, providing a robust option for those struggling with humidity. This unit combines efficiency with a user-friendly design, catering to both large spaces and smaller environments. One of the most impressive features of the CFM200 is its powerful dehumidification capacity, which can handle up to 200 pints of moisture removal per day. This makes it ideal for basements, attics, or any area prone to dampness. The adjustable humidity settings allow you to customize performance according to specific needs, ensuring optimal comfort without excessive energy use. The built-in humidistat accurately monitors humidity levels, allowing the unit to operate only when necessary, thereby improving energy efficiency. The CFM200's portability is another strong point. It comes equipped with rolling casters and a lightweight design, making it easy to move from room to room. This feature is particularly useful for homeowners who need moisture control in various areas, as it eliminates the hassle of purchasing multiple units. Installation is straightforward, even for those who may not be particularly handy. The user-friendly digital display simplifies operation, allowing users to easily set humidity levels and timer functions. Moreover, the continuous drainage option is a significant advantage for long-term use, eliminating the need for frequent emptying of the water tank. While the unit is generally quiet, it may produce some noise during operation, which could be noticeable in very quiet environments. However, this is a minor trade-off for the performance it delivers. Overall, the Flex-a-lite CFM200 Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone seeking to control humidity effectively. Its combination of powerful performance, portability, and ease of use positions it as a top choice in the dehumidifier market. Whether in a home, office, or workshop, the CFM200 effectively tackles moisture issues, enhancing air quality and providing a comfortable living space.